The State Department of Medical Assistance Services says more information is needed to see how Medicaid cuts and President Donald Trump's newly signed so-called Big Beautiful Bill will affect Virginia.
The state agency responsible for overseeing Virginia's Medicaid services briefed lawmakers this morning, but was light on specifics. Capitol reporter Tyler Englander explains. New at 5.
The Department of Medical Assistance Services didn't tell lawmakers how many Virginians would be at risk of losing their Medicaid coverage. However, they did say that hospitals that rely on Medicaid could lose billions. Tonight, the state agency that oversees Virginia's Medicaid program says weeks after President Donald Trump's Big Beautiful Bill was signed, they still don't know how cuts to Medicaid will affect the program in Virginia.
What I'm emphasizing is when I say we don't know, we really don't know yet, okay? It's not like we have a secret of it. We don't.
A recent report from the nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office found that more than 10 million people could lose their health insurance because of the bill. However, DMAS didn't say how many people in Virginia will lose their health insurance, something that Democratic delegate Sia Price says is concerning.
Some of the presentations kind of glossed over billions of dollars and hundreds of thousands of individuals that are behind those reductions.
While she didn't have an exact number, DMAS Director Cheryl Roberts did admit that changes in the bill could cost hospitals billions, something that concerns Republicans and Democrats alike.
Sometimes there's the clutching of pearls and the gasping, and then it's not really as bad as this. This time there is just a foreboding fear among all of the hospital administrators that I'm in contact with, and they're not even sure how to formulate the questions yet because there's so much we don't know.
Now, we tried to interview Director Roberts after her presentation to get more specifics. However, she declined an in-person interview and encouraged reporters to email their questions. At the state capitol, I'm Tyler Englander.